people that longs to see your face. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. The Lord taught the earth and its fullness, the world and those who dwell in it. For he founded it upon the seas and established it upon the rivers. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. Who can ascend the mountain of the Lord, or who may stand in his holy place? One whose hands are sinless, whose heart is clean, who desires not what is vain. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. He shall receive its blessing from the Lord, a reward from God his Savior. Such is a race that seeks him, that seeks the face of the God of Jacob. Lord,